Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be installing some new RAM in my computer. I have a Dell Optiplex 9030, I think it is. And I only have 4 gigs of RAM. I need at least 16 to feel comfortable playing games. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my stuff ready and I'll see you. And I'll start installing it. Alright guys, this is the Dell Optiplex 9030. I've got Crucial DDR3, I think 8 gigs, and I've got 2 of them. So, from what I've seen, oh, by the way, this is an updated video. I've seen a video that was done like 7 years ago. I think you need to press in and out, take off the stand, set it over somewhere. And then what you need to do is there's 2 latches right here and here. Pop those out. Yeah. Oh, that's kind of dirty, but yeah, the entire back plate pops off. And then you see this right here? That is the RAM. Slide out, yeah. I don't really know how this RAM right here works. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is my previous RAM, 4 gigabytes. And I'm going to be upgrading to this Crucial DDR3 8 gigabyte right here. And I've got 2 of these. Okay? And then you want to just pull that open, press that down into place, grab your second Crucial DDR3 8 gigs, and then there you go. You've successfully installed both of your RAM. And then you're going to grab this plate. Alright, so then there's these little notches on the side. And we'll lay it flat and then slide in. Okay? And that's on there now. Then you're going to grab your back panel. Again. I'll probably make a separate video on how to clean everything. Okay. You might have to press like one of those snap-in points down a little bit, but it shouldn't be too hard. I think I just didn't put it in at the right angle totally. And then you go in like that, and you go down, and it should be in snug and in place. And that's how you do it. And when you go into your BIOS, your RAM should show up there. But thanks for watching.
Hey guys,
Bye.
So thank you for watching my video. I just want to say that I'm an aspiring YouTuber that wants to create tech videos and all that. So if you could, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you again. I hope to post more videos for you. Bye.